Hey, what's up, gang? How you doing? So, welcome to the other part of this tutorial. For this tutorial, I think we should just work on the profile page. So, I think in the next tutorial, we should now work on consuming the API. So, we should make sure they can log in and register to our Threads application. And I'm so sorry for the delay. I've been really busy. So, that was kind of what is happening. So, we have our own page already here. So, what I want to do now is create a new dot file here. So I create a new dot file. I can call this profile. So you can call this profile.dat. Right. So in our profile.dat here, we can go ahead and have of course, a stateful widget. In the process, we can name this profile page. Sorry, profile page. Alright. And I'm just going to import. I'm going to import material. So I'm using Android Studio in case you're wondering what I'm using. So I'm using Android Studio. So what I want to do now is I'll go to the widget. I want to go to the bottom bar. So the bottom bar here we have the profile container stuff here. This particular stuff here we can just delete this so I can have profile page. Alright. I see we're having that squiggly line. So to fix that you can just pass constant under it. So it is constant and now you get over here. Okay, sorry, you have to restart again because okay, yeah, so you have to start again. So you check your profile now, you have this. Alright, so I currently have the profile page opened up on my phone, so that's what I'm going to be using. So you can just follow along with your phone app also. So the first one to add is an app bar. So the reason we're having an app bar is because they have 3 icons on it. And the first icon is a leading icon, so we can have a leading. We can say icons dot I think there is internet. There's anything like internet here. Or maybe it is word. Nope. I'm trying to figure out let's just use this network cell for now. Yeah, let's use that for now. And now the next thing they have now is an action that leads to Instagram, and there's a menu bar. So what we can do is you can first pass our icon. So we don't have the Instagram, so we don't need that. Sorry. So we can just pass only the menu icon here. So this menu here, what I can do is I can wrap it with a widget. Where's it not showing? Okay, I can wrap it with padding actually. So I can say padding only. So only where should be the right. Alright, so the space here should be gone. Alright, so that is what we have first. And after the app bar here, we can now go ahead and have our body. Now we need a column. Alright, so you can have a children, but we're just going to have a row. Alright, so we're going to have a row. We're going to have children also. So this children here is going to accept a column because there's a name and there's a username below it. So that's what we're going to be achieving. So we're going to have children. We're going to have text. We're going to have my name. Alright, then I'm going to have another text also. This is going to be my username. So this is my username on Threads in case you want to follow. It is underscore. Alright, so you should check this out. This is what we have here. Now what we notice is that the first text is bigger than the actual one. So we can say text style, or we can say font size. Let's give it 30. Too big. I think 25 is okay. Or you can do font switch with font with bold. Alright, good. And yeah, so what we can do now is we can just do cross out this to shift our username back, so you can say start. Yeah, so shift it to the back, and you know, this is a column and we have it inside a row here, so we can just close this column like this, and under below it we can have our next stuff on our row, and this is going to be a circle avatar because this is like our profile picture. We're going to have circle avatar here. So it's kind of small, so we can say radius, let's give it 50. Alright, so if this is too much, let's give it 35 instead. Okay, good. And here we have the row here. In between it, you can say main axis main axis alignment dot space between. So once a space then, yep, yeah, there we go. And what I like doing is I'm wrapping this column. I wrap with a padding. I can just leave the default one here, so to have spaces around it. And the last thing we just need to do now is not just last thing. Next thing we need to do is add our column. Add our value after that row, so we can just have a text. Alright, I can say I am a developer. So you can see it is right here. So what we can do is from the beginning of the column we can say cross axis alignment dot start. Alright, so you can have it there, and it is a little bit too close, so you can say size box. I'm kind of rushing it because it is I think 5 AM in the morning here in Nigeria. So you can say height is let's give it 30. Sorry, comma. Okay, yeah, so that is like the length of the stuff. Okay, so if I have Laravel Spam code, I've just used Laravel Spam instead, but just leave our bio like that. So come in, I close this up by mistake. Okay, so next one idea is the followers, and if you have a link to your bio, that those type of stuff. And what we can do is we can have a row, but before that we're going to have a size box. So you can say size box height, let's give it 20. Alright, then you're going to have a row. So if you look at the people that are following you, their images are stacked on top each other. So look how to do that. So you have children. Then what we can use is with the word stack, so you should know that, right? So these are stacking on top each other. So I'm going to use the stack widget. So I have my first one, which is the circle avatar. In this case, we're just going to reduce the radius. So just to say reduce radius, sorry, is 20. Okay, it's 20 didn't do anything, so let's give it 10. 15 should. Okay, so 15 is okay. And what I can do is I change this one background color to like colors.red, so you can differentiate what we have. Okay, so this is the first one. Then we can just copy this, so we can say second one. Alright, I can say the third one. And here we can do blue and green. Okay, so you can see they are placed on each other. So what I can do is I can wrap this with the widget, and I can call the position widget on it. What I want to do is I don't know, I think I want to move it to the left instead, so you can select by 10. Sorry, let's try 50. Yeah, I need to figure out what is happening here, so let's try right, and let's give it all the values 0. Bottom should be 0, and left should be 0. So let me see what is happening. I'll just increase this. Okay, so this is weird. So I want to copy this, and I'm going to remove this widget here. Alright, so let me paste it in the first one. Maybe we'll see the changes in the first one. Positioned Okay, then I can paste that. Okay. Yeah, so we want to move to the right instead. So should I wrap this with a container so you can see what is happening? So wrap this with a container, say colors or red. I can call colors or thread here. Alright, so that is it. So I guess it is not long enough. So let's say width 300. So this is like almost how I fix stuff. So let's say 200. So is a bit better. But let's just keep it 100. Yeah, so we don't want it that long. So what we need on the so I think I can just cut this again. Okay, you know what, let's leave this there. Let's say we want our right to be like 20 and limit another position to this. Okay, then yeah, have that same thing we can have positioned. Okay, so they are all gone. So let's say right 30 and let's say this one should be 40. Should comment this out so like nothing. Why though? Is it left? I don't even know if it's saving the store, but okay. I think check the terminal. Let me check the terminal. Okay, so you have an error there. Our size. So basically, I think this is the container. So no, let's just give the container a night to see what happens. So we can give it a night. Alright, so yep, so that is what you want. But that is too much. So let's do it height of 20 because yeah, so that's what we need. I don't need this anymore, so that's what we need. And 30 20. Why is he that different from? Where's the red at? So the red 10. Okay, sorry, my bad. 5 instead. Okay, 0 instead. Do that what you want. And let's just move this like 35. Okay. I feel you now. So it's alright. We can also use left and we can move this to 30. Okay, that is a little bit too much, so I can give it a 20. Okay, then I just need to move this to 0. I can say 30 here. Then I'll work 40. Alright, and why are they over there? So let's say color. So let me reduce this weight. Let's give it a 30. Let's just give it 50. 50. Oh, let's just remove this weight and see what happens. Okay, we get an error. So let me remove this height also. So we get an error still. So it's going to return here. So keep this on 100. And we're just going to fix it. So I think I'll write this one should be 20 here. We need them to move to the end instead. I think that's what I'm going to do. Okay. What about I keep just pushing it? So let's say 90. That is way out. So let's say 70. Alright, so this one let's say 60. Okay, I'll just say 65 instead. Okay, wait. 72. I'm not getting the math. So 50. Sorry, 50. Okay, so say 55. Alright, then for this red, right, I can say 50. Okay, too much, so let's give 40. Yep, so yeah, that's okay. So that's like what we want. And remember, this is a row, so with this container out, so we can go down for this container. We can have a text. We can say, so I currently have 104 followers. Alright, okay, so I'm having that issue because of this, so I'm going to cut this out. I'm going to cut this out also. Okay, what if I just remove this container? Let me see what happens. Let me just give it 60. Like that is gonna run everything again. Too much, so I don't know. I'm giving it 60, but no, I can't give it 70. Okay, but 70 works though. No, let's just give it 80. No, I'll give it 60, sorry. Okay, so 60 works, and what we can do is we can increase this to like 30, or we can go ahead and increase our radius to like 30 or so. Okay. So the blue one is the one we are seeing right now. So let's give 70. Let's see what happens. So 17 is gone. So 55 is what I need. Let's give this one 60. If I keep doing this, it's just going to take time. I think I just skip this for now. So let's just finish what we are doing first. Okay, so let's just finish what we are doing first. Yeah, I'm just going to do this here for now. And yep, so that is what we want. Okay, yeah, that's what we want. Okay, so the last thing we're just going to look at before the other video, we're going to look at the other part of the profile. That we can work on the login and register page. And what we can do is just need a row. Alright, we have a children widget. We can say elevator button. Child is going to be text, and it's going to be edit profile. Right, so that is how it is, but that's not what we want. So what we want is style elevated button dot style from, and we're going to say shape is equals to rounded rectangle border shape. I'm going to say border radius equals to border radius dot circular, and you can just give it 10. Okay, then I can say shape. Oh, sorry, not shape, side. I mean, so border side. So you can have border side dot all. Border side dot all. You can say color should be colors dot white. Okay, then around color. Let's use some color of black. So choose this color to white. Alright, so what I want to do is I can just wrap this with a container, and I can say the weight should be like 200 instead. Okay, and what I can do now is just clone these 2 times, copy it on it, and this place is going to be shape paper, and there it is, and you can do dot space between, and yep, and before that we can just have a size box at the top. Alright, so this is all we stop in this video. So next video we're going to work on connecting the API to the to our app. Alright, so without further ado, see you next time.